right. We made it to the Grand California. Wow, this place is so cool. That was unreal. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Where are we?
Disney's Grand California. Tall and small.
Well, that's cool. I like this place. Look around. Thanks, Mirror. Scary voice. This place is pretty grand. Hence the name. Grand. I like the probe. So we're at the Grand Californian, and guess what that means? Yes, that's right. A gift shop. And of course, it's another gift shop. Shopping.
I think that's great. They're their wings. I like the weight of it too. With their whatever.
Fancy stuff. I think my wife would really like this one. Ooh, fancy. That's too much money.